Good morning, ma'am. I am Angel May Kalubayan from BSN 2C and I will be performing vaginal suppository. First procedure is to check the physician's order. Next is to gather equipment, organize his working environment, save time, and provide easy access to materials needed. Next is to perform hand washing. This reduces the transmission of microorganisms. Next is to check the label of the medication carefully against the medication sheet, Cardex and medication card. Read the label upon drawing from the cabinet, before withdrawing medication and after withdrawing medication. Next is to identify the client. Check the name of the client at the door or bedside with the medication card or address the client by name. Explain the purpose and nature of the procedure to the client. Prepare the client. Ask the client to void. Assist the client to a back-lying position with legs extended and knees flexed. Drape the client appropriately. Provide perineal care. Assess the perineal area of the client, taking note of the odor, presence of any discharge, and redness. If using a vaginal suppository, with gloved hands unwrap the vaginal suppository, separate the labia with the non-dominant to expose the vaginal surface. Insert the suppository well into the posterior wall of the vagina, approximately 8 to 10 cm. Advise a client to remain in that position for several minutes. Offer the perineal pad to collect the drainage. The applicator is placed on the towel to prevent the spread of microorganisms. Next is to discard disposable equipment and clean other equipment. Next is to perform hand washing. This reduces the transmission of microorganisms and reduces the likelihood of the nurse's hands contacting the client's vagina and perineal area. Lastly, record medication given as well as the time and date of administration.